วีมีสองวงไฮเวย์บอลน้องต่อแม่มันจะกูโดนช่วยมากันจะโดนกันตัวไว้นี่เขาเลยเรื่องแปลกกันด้วยยังก็ได้นอนเป็นคนก่อนเลยตอนต่อก็กันเลยเจอเลยไฮเวย์มันจะลำตัวเอาไว้ได้ตอนนี้เราว่าตอนนี้เราว่าในเราไม่เสียวไม่ทำไม่เราได้เนาะมันอีกสิโลไม่ได้เลยนั่งใจกันเถอะนั่งเก็บบอลอย่างนี้เยอะkita sudah atau gitu bang? Wah, kayak apa? Kita bang nggak mau. Kok si Pai ramai kacau mau mau? Hanya, oh recorder. Ini party mode ada. Hanya foto putar. Saya ramai semalam kita. Bilang apa lagi?
Respect, trust, affection, and support over the past many years. I feel the pain to not be present physically and to rejoice together with you all. But I assure you all that my thoughts are with you as the Olympic begins today till the very end of it. As your host, along with all the people of this land, we welcome you warmly and extend our heartfelt affection to all. May the land and the people and the air and water, the plants and everything have served you all well to make this Olympic successful and memorable event. May you all cherish the time you spent here, and may you all take back good memories to remind you of the beauty of this place for a long time. Finally, as a token of my love and gratitude, I have prepared a small gift. Kindly accept this. May it serve as a small support towards the grand success of the Olympics. Thank you and God bless you. May I request our respected President, Sir Jeremiah Pame, to kindly come and receive the token which our Honorable MLA has sent. And Assam. I welcome the sports lovers and athletes to the second Zeme Olympics 2024. I salute and congratulate the visionary and excellent leadership, dynamic and pragmatic status, vibrant and enthusiastic leadership of the Zeme Olympic organization under the presidency of Jeremiah Pame. Zeme brothers have reformed in spirit to the spirit of brotherhood by bringing the contingents from the three states of Manipur, Nagaland, and Assam. The Zeme are known for the humility, hard work, bravery, and unity. And they have shown to the Nagas in particular and to the whole world that geographical divisions, geographical boundaries, political boundaries are just temporary and artificial. And you have proved that you are one, united culturally, emotionally, bringing every sport lovers together. In the world of conflicts and wars, where the world is divided, our Zeme leaders have brought the Zeme brothers together in the playground of sports, united as one. And you have proved to the world that you are united and live in solidarity through sports. Lastly, but not the least, dear athletes and sport lovers, I'm emotionally touched by the way you have gathered to show to the world that you can be the champion, be the winner. With this, long live the Zeme brothers, long live the Zeme Olympic Association, and to all the organizers. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Sri Asuli, the president of Makan Union. Thank you. Chula ane nui go contingents Malayna. I get nui he sabam je reuda. Sine nui go comfort zone ge he bam je tau do village sport nui ge. The competitors me nui go traditional fire making nui pau pai mane mi te ka lit pe mi te go ka lit pe ge. Wang rabe ji kya pa go contingents kare la we have 10 contingents for this competition. Namdi Hain, Baki Village. Helway Chong Hao, Zeme Nui Village. P Nin Kaube, Poklong Village. Mitwa Lungbe, Puelo Village. Inei Lungbe, Tesen, New Tesen Village. Talun Neve, Besumpikam Village. Igo Hing, Kelly, front and take your position. Anything comes there, and we go Olympics. Go. Flame, I just tell you, it's a very nice place. Anigo President Zuliza request wela pana peiza anigo ngam lu pepezu hey luza tong samgaira.
Either you have to run and go and light the torch, the Zeme Olympic torch. Event for our Zeme people, Jine Nui either take a bomb, no sit banda. Are you all excited for this? Peri Perama? Aida. On my mark, get set, go! Hey banda, anu Zeme anjo ni tela Miramo taka pelara, Naira, Jalo, Taibanda, Anu Zeme Amada, Hamsom ni, Dutu Mada, Murachimada, Mirongate Chulaira, Mirongate Chulaira, Mirongate Maduma, Decha, Hello, Chulaira, New I take one, Zeme history of Ogira, Nitin Jimmy, take a pole, make some noise for them! Pelaya, make some noise for them! Pelaya, take Sulaya, put a single figure, a single Photographers, please move, take from the different angle, Pelaya, Sulaya. Ora, Ora. Package 2. The president, please begin. Anong Zeme Olympic Tours are coming like that. Please make some noise for Zeme Olympic! Make some noise! Ayan! Okay, we make one more time, okay? We go go first, please be ready. Zeme Olympic! Zeme Olympic! Zeme Olympic! Alright, thank you.
Zeme!
사람 먹네. Uila negro में ला सब लाई ला से निजरिया में सब लाई ला से
Hello. Check.
Zeme Olympic! Zeme Olympic! We want everyone, each and everyone to sing along with us. Ringam Pegu, have you ever heard the song? Yes. We want all of us to sing with us, okay? Zeme Olympic! Louder. Zeme Olympic! Thank you. Lampuin ang ram ng tema kilang samara. Zeme pun sabihan besete.
Small, I will say Zeme. There's a ring tilo. Zera. Zeme is a ring tilo. Herwa. Zeme. Thank you. His name is Talun Neme from Besung Puikang. Traditional ano po pa ibne meter ka lit bigya ngam pe Talun Neme Besung Puikang gina panang ngam delay. Ano yung prize mama pe garabazana ano announce da ule kakchay ne. Ano yung naka take da rabzana. The next is the presidential address. Jeremiah Pame. I would like to request our president to take this pulpit.
Good morning, everybody. Sri Sangha. Last time I got a complaint that Zeme Olympics Tedazai, why do you speak only English? Zeme players, madung contingents, madung ana, there are many people who are not able to understand English. So let us give importance to them. Because if Zena Mayana Zekona English mixed da. Our respected chief host and our special guest, both the DCs are here. Thank you so much for your presence. And our dignitaries, I want guys bamba player manangui hi manado tehre dele rampavnang hi manado samlam gailo sarangai bamda zaine kyatna rangza anui Zeme Olympics. It is not just a sports event, it is a source of hope, inspiration and unity for our people. We are scattered in 3 states of Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. Even though we live in different states, we are one and we're already united. And for the sake of our special guests who are here, our logo, which is printed there on the program, some people may be asking why. There's one red star and 3 rings. I'd just like to highlight the significance of our logo once again. 3 rings can also represent our people living in 3 states. The green ring represents life and joy of our people. Red ring represents passion and desire to do something good for our people. And the blue ring represents peace and calm in our land. And the red star represents the greatest and the highest thing when we come together as one. When 3 rings are interlaced and when we come together as one, the red star will be there. Something that we can do, a great thing that we can achieve when we come together. And then our motto, arise and win. I've already said this at the first event last time at Jaluke Kohima, but I'd like to re-emphasize today that when we come together, it's time to inculcate the attitude of winning, not just coming together. It's time to arise and it's time to start winning in all the things that we do, be it in sports, be it in education, be it in our economy. Let us come together. We start winning in everything that we do. And today the theme of second Zeme Olympics we have chosen as United to Inspire and Build the Future Together. Already one step ahead. We are already united. Even though we live in different places, we're already united. And we so it's time that we start inspiring one another. Nang Zemena, Nang Zegana, Hankatsu, Nang Nagaland ke Bamzai, Manipur ke Bamzai, Assam ke Bamzai, Delhi ke, Bombay ke, Bangalore ke, Ndai ke Bamledo. It's time that we start inspiring one another. Come together and build our future together. And then today it's time to look at ourselves once again. Today we have 64 contingents. Contingents 64. There are 217 villages in Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. Specifically, there are 99 Zeme villages in Assam. Now, you might be surprised. 99 Zeme villages in Assam, 78 villages in Nagaland, 40 villages in Manipur. When we put all of us together, we are 217 villages in Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. And we go population roughly, it must be around 1.5 lakh. Population and we are here today. We have already united more than 1.5 lakh people from 217 villages. We have come here to play together. And Zeme Olympics, when we talk about this, I've been hearing this from people in different villages that, okay, some of our youths, since they've been waiting for Zeme Olympics to come, they've been practicing for Zeme Olympics for 3 months now, and they've been restraining themselves from taking intoxicants and restraining themselves from taking substance abuses. So it is a progress, and it's a sign of progress for all our people, especially the youth. It is you, your presence, that is making and marking the significance of this event. And now to introduce our Zeme Olympics, Zeme Olympic Association go office bearer Madung, President Ida, and we go Vice President. When I call out your name, please come and stand here so that everybody can see you. And game coordinators Madung, Amos Hiding, Vice President, please come forward. Kaipet Lang, General Secretary, please come forward. Kiloigum is not here today. Dr. Angaula, our treasurer, she's not here with today. Dr. Hainebe, our finance secretary. Public Relations Secretary Ilam Sappe Hiding, Miss Azai Thao, Kining Kamberiame, Ramko Bambangame, Inre Namre, Adila Dailiam, Public Relations Secretary Madungda, and game coordinators for our event, second Zeme Olympics, so that all the players can see your face wherever you are. Anego football coordinator James Hetolong How, football coordinator. Ipet Down How, Wangailo. Pastor Among, he's still on his way. And Lungto Bui Pame, Nehemiah Daime, Deiso Hungbe Pame. These are football coordinators. Volleyball coordinators, Mr. Azuak Ihelung, Mr. Teisuibe Joseph, Nrialak Badaime. Yes, volleyball coordinators, they're here. High jump coordinator, Siasilak Hao. Long jump coordinator, Peisung Ngolung. Shot put, Ralu Neme. Wrestling coordinator, Ning Dong and Mitwate. 100-meter race, Mr. Kining Kamberiame. Bamboo steel race, Suikam and Inre Namre. Battle of Horn, Ilam Sappe Hiding. Marathon, Kilam Babe and Peace Neme. Relay race, Mr. Asang Pame. Traditional fire making, Fuidi Wamba Hoi. And women's category, women's go volleyball coordinators, Hai Zewi Le Panme, Izei Hangle Herang, high jump coordinator, Irang Si Le Hao, long jump, Hai Sui Sambriame, marathon, Ami Le Pame, In Sale Neme, and relay race for women's category, the coordinator, Kipote Le Neme. These are the game coordinators for our event. Please see their face, recognize them wherever they are, and if you have any doubt, you have been talking to them over the phone, but they're here now. If you have any problem regarding your game, please talk to them, reach out to them, they're here to help you. Shall we all give a round of applause to all the game coordinators? Thank you so much. May